Oops, not enough sandbags in there. Anyway, look at this, looks nice. Yes, you guess it. We're on the beach in Pattaya, where you all know what's happening this weekend. And we'll give you a clue. Here's some on the floor. No, they're not sticks of rock. It's the International Fireworks Festival 2025, where countries across the world are competing for the best firework display teams. People leave a mess. They've just cleaned this. But here we are. International Fireworks for 2020. And obviously they've changed the 3 to a 4 with a different colour, but they're going to light all this up. When it's all wired up, which I guess they're going to be doing all night. All these are going to be lit up and it's going to look great. And out here on the bay, you won't be able to see it, but there's 2 big barges here which the fireworks are going on, or 1 massive barge, or the smaller one, but that's where the fireworks are going off. And we've got food stalls, they're all setting up along here. Good 100 food stalls probably, 80 to 100. And then over here, there's some sort of entertainment thing. Let me get out of the way of everyone. There's some sort of stage and entertainment setup. Which is looking good. They were testing the sound and it's very loud. Right, the rules. They've put some rules up here. No weapons, no food or drink, no alcohol, no smoking, no laser pointing, no drugs, no self-sticks, no pets, no flammable, no drones. I think that's probably in that area and this sort of area where but I can't see if all these food stalls and all these bars that anyone is not going to be eating, drinking beer on the beach. No gambling, no smoking or vaping. Using and selling firecrackers is illegal. But yeah, the drinking water, 1 per person, it says here. I'm pretty sure that's just for this area here. I'm pretty sure on the beach everyone's going to be partying. Just don't think the signs are specifically well placed. There we go. Get yourself down here. I believe the road shuts about 3, half 3 in the afternoon. Fireworks starting about 7:30. 2 days of it, they're expected to be absolutely rammed down here. So with people spending the afternoon chilling on the beach, all this food, decent price. For a cold beverage, one of the cola or similar brands with a big cup full of ice, 30 baht. So what's that, 80p roughly, 85p. And all the bars got offers on. I'm sure there'll be Chang and Singer galore being sold, and the street vendors when the road shut. But also you've got your 7-Elevens, stock up. Remember the time in the afternoon they don't sell beer between, but get yourself down here over the weekend. It's going to be an absolutely cracker of a weekend, mind the pun. Anyway, we will see you at the fireworks at some point over the weekend. And if you're not in the area, get yourself down here. If not, we'll see what we can do. We'll get some photos, release a video or something up over the next few days. Bye for now.